Hi there everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and I'm back again with another video. So our pair for today's video is the CADJPY, the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen. So without any further waste of time, let me get on with the analysis. So as usual, I am on the 4-hour time frame and I've switched to a line graph to identify my four major key levels. So as you can see right now, I have my lowest low here at the bottom and my highest high at the bottom, at the top right there. Now catering for my other key levels, would be this key level here, and my last key level would be here. So now that I have my key levels, switching back to candlesticks to identify the overall direction of the market, I'm seeing an uptrend from this CADJPY pair. I'm seeing this uptrend from the CADJPY pair, and that is basically the overall direction that I am seeing. And so previously the market had this large downtrend, as you can see, broke out, retested, and impulsed to the upside, right? So now I do want to cater for a zone. Okay, let me go to the hourly time frame. Yes. So there is a zone that I want to cater for, which is this zone right here, as you can see. So this is a zone that I do want to cater for, and now that I'm on the hourly time frame, I see this downtrend that has been broken out of and retested here. As you can see, this breakout and retest, push to the upside, push back down to retest this strong zone that I just catered for. And as you can see here, we're seeing some sort of a double bottom here, which might be a reversal chart pattern or a reversal signal to us that the market might continue to the upside or might reverse from this downward impulse move to now an upward move to complete this trend here. So moving deeper to the 30 minutes, I'm also seeing a downtrend, a small downtrend, which is this downtrend here that okay, let me move to the 15 minute time. Yes, this is the small downtrend that I'm seeing on the 15 minute time frame. So basically on the 15 minute time frame, I do not like having trend lines on the 15 minute time frame because it's a smaller time frame, and it says that the higher the time frame, the less it lies. So the 15 minute time frame is gonna lie to me. It might break out and I would buy, but it's gonna, lie to me. It might possibly sell, because I'm seeing this uptrend here, as you can see, broke out, retested, so it might and lie to me and then continue with the trend, the uptrend that it broke out. So the higher the time frame, the less it lies. But if on the 15 minute time frame I do see that I do really have to cater for this trend for the trend line, then I would, but in most cases I really do not. But let's move on. There's also a zone that I do want to add on this 15-minute time frame, which is this zone. I think it's this, yeah, yes, it's the zone that right there. So that this is the zone that I do want, that I did want to cater for, which I have. So basically now what's the overall, basically what's the overall decision or whatever setup, or so as I said, we're seeing this double bottom here formation. Is not the double bottom already, but it's a formation. I would consider it a double bottom once the market has come to break out this zone right there, retest, and then now that's where I can prepare for buys, because I'm seeing a reversal chart pattern and a downtrend that has been broken out, and also the zone would be my third confirmation to enter that buy. And so wow, you'll see in a moment that this setup is, for me, I think it's an okay setup, it's cool. But I don't know what you think. Let me know what you think about the setup on the comments. So as you can see, this full trend line there gives us this risk reward ratio of I think it's 1:2.44. But in order to determine your take profit, should you calculate the size of the trend line and measure it from the breakout of the trend line, and then wherever it ends would be your take profit. So if I move to the 30 minutes to see properly, this would be where the market would complete the full size of this downtrend, right? And as you can see, the risk reward ratio is a good 3.33, 1:3.33. So it's 3.33 times more than your risk. It's like 333% more based on profits. But for me, I would, what I do is I cater for the nearest key level. So that would be my overall take profit with a risk reward ratio of 5.55. But with that being said, I do want to cater for key levels whereby I want to lock my profits. So if the market reaches this red key level, I'll probably close half of my trades, and the other half I would possibly lock to break even or somewhere. But in general, lock my profits and close half to see whether is it gonna continue to the upside to complete my full setup that I have, or is it gonna reverse and stop me out? If it does, I would have half of my profits and those small profits that I've locked, whether rather than not locking my profits and the market suddenly stopping me out with nothing, So this is the setup that I have for this CADJPY pair. And let me know what you think about the setup, what you are seeing, and basically let me know if there's any suggestion or question that you have. Leave them on the comments below. If you enjoyed, hit that like button. If you want more, subscribe. And without any further waste of time, I'd like to thank you for investing your time into watching this video. And I'll pop up a playlist of my CADJPY analysis and possibly another video that you can check out that will pop up right now. And without any further waste of more time, I will see you in the next video. Bye.